In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize bullet points in Google Docs. If you want your document to look more polished, more creative, or simply better organized, changing the default bullet style can make a surprisingly big difference. Google Docs gives you a quick way to replace standard bullet points with symbols, icons, or even simple emoji-style characters. And the process is very easy once you know where to look. To begin, open your Google Doc and locate the bulleted list you want to update. The first thing you need to do is highlight that list. Click and drag your cursor over all of the bullet points you want to change. So Google Docs knows exactly which items should be affected. Make sure the full list is selected before moving on, because any customization you apply will only affect the text you've highlighted. Once your list is selected, go to the top menu and click Format. From there, move to Bullets and Numbering. Then List Options, and finally choose More Bullets. This opens the Special Characters menu where Google Docs lets you choose a different symbol for your list. T here is also a shortcut if you prefer a faster method. You can simply right-click one of the bullet points in your highlighted list and select More Bullets from the menu. Both methods take you to the same place, so use whichever feels more convenient. When the menu appears, you'll see several ways to find a custom bullet. You can search for a symbol directly if you already know what you want. For example, you might look for stars, arrows, check marks, or other simple icons that match the tone of your document. You can also browse through categories such as symbols and arrows if you want to explore different styles. Another useful option is drawing a symbol manually in the search area, which helps Google Docs suggest similar matches. This can be especially helpful if you are not sure what a symbol is called. After you find the icon or symbol you want to use, just click on it. Google Docs will automatically replace your standard bullet points with a new style. T here is no extra confirmation step, so the change happens right away. As a quick tip, try choosing bullet symbols that are easy to read and appropriate for your document. Simpler icons usually work best for professional notes, while more decorative symbols can be useful for casual documents, classroom materials, or creative projects. That's all it takes to customize bullet points in Google Docs and give your lists a fresh new look.